This custom-built home on more than 3 acres offers country living at its finest. It's perfectly positioned for beautiful southwesterly views of the rolling hills, surrounded by nature, in a private, tranquil setting and close to wine country. This expansive property has 2 seasonal creeks, and just steps from the primary home, you'll find a fabulous detached shop. A charming covered front porch with teak decking welcomes you home. You'll discover gorgeous cherry floors and fine craftsmanship from the wainscoting to the crown molding and 3 cozy gas fireplaces. Entertain or relax on the teak deck with a hot tub, overlooking the backyard and panoramic views. Enjoy your grand-sized gourmet kitchen featuring granite countertops, a gas range, pull-out baker's cabinet, and even a built-in coffee maker. Elegant wainscoting frames the formal dining room. You'll also find a private office or 4th bedroom with a closet. Unwind in your main-level primary bedroom with a gas fireplace and with access to the deck and hot tub. The ensuite bath features a soaking tub and a separate shower, plus a walk-in closet. A well-appointed full bath and laundry room complete this main level. Downstairs features a spacious family room with another gas fireplace, and it's plumbed for a wet bar. Plus, you'll find 2 additional large bedrooms, a full bathroom, and extra storage or a possible wine cellar. Head out to your second deck or spend time relaxing by the fire pit. There's a 12 by 24 foot shelter with stall mats for horses that could be used for equipment storage. The 26 by 40 foot heated and fully insulated shop is a flexible space with a kitchenette, a private office, full bathroom, and extra space for additional cars or your hobbies. Plus, you'll find RV parking and a cleared flat area for horse riding. An exceptional property with gorgeous views. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.